Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. Today, I just wanted to clean up again because my room's a mess. It is extra messy, and I mean messy. It's all because I haven't had the time to come home and recuperate. Like most of the time when I come home, it's like 7 or 8 because of tennis. So I'm like all over the place right now. So to save myself from this mess, I must do this right now. So yeah. Anyway, let us just get started. I actually just finished hand sewing a pair of pants of mine because it had a rip on the back. I also just went to New York for the sun. Welcome to my basement. I'm here because I gotta put this in my art box and then I have to shoot some clothes for Depop. So yeah, let's go. This is gonna be one of the shorts that I'm selling. So yeah, I'm gonna need the camera so you won't be able to see me shoot this, but yeah, check my Depop if you wanna purchase any of that. So I finally finished taking pictures of the clothes. Now I have to measure like the shorts that I'm selling. So yeah, be sure to check out my Depop. It will be linked down below if you feel like checking them out. So yeah. So I'm finally done. I'm very I did it really quick actually. I did it within an hour, so I'm very proud of myself. It was just because the only mess technically was just my desk. I just needed it to just be clean, you know? Thank you for motivating me. If I did not make this video, probably would have taken me the entire season of tennis, which is by the end of October, and by the end of October I will be traveling, so I don't know how that would work. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this. I know it's kind of like chillaxing. I personally enjoy watching these kinds of videos. I hope you do too, but if anything, just let me know what you like or not like, and I'll try my best to cater to that, I guess. But I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye.
같은 밤 뒤 속에